Everyone calls it pumpkin spice. But did you know that there is no pumpkin in it at all? Behind the cozy autumn flavor hides a story that's thousands of years old. Cinnamon, for example, traded across deserts to reach Egypt 4,000 years ago. It wasn't just for taste, it was prized for warming the body and preserving food. Nutmeg came from tiny islands of Indonesia, once worth more than gold. People believed it suited digestion and calmed the mind. Well, ginger, one of the world's first global spice. Our ancestors trusted it to settle the stomach and chase away the chill of winter. Cloves were so precious, traders fought wars over them. A drop of clove oil could numb a toothache and warm the lungs during cold season. And allspice, discovered in the Caribbean after Columbus' voyage, added that sweet, peppery note our grandmothers loved in autumn pies. So when you sip a pumpkin spice latte, you are tasting spices of ancient trade routes. Spices once used for healing, warmth, and even ceremony. Which one of these spices do you feel most drawn to right now? Cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, clove, or maybe allspice? Comment below.